Hello and welcome to another episode of Mari's Creative Space. To those of you that doesn't know me yet, my name is Mari and I post videos on a weekly basis. I like to take some extra minutes today to say Merry Christmas to all of you. I really hope that you have a wonderful end of the year in company of family and friends and a blessed beginning of the new year. I like to say thank you to those of you that decide to click on my video today. I really appreciate you. And to those of you that are with me from the beginning, you just have no idea how much I appreciate your company every week. Today I have three hacks, ideas, because they are super easy. I don't want to call them DIY. So with all that being said, let me show you guys. In the first project, you are going to see me disassembling this piece. This is a slit that I found in Dollar Tree, and I want to change the appearance of the piece, so I'm going to be painting the top of the slit in red and the bottom is going to be white. And that's all I'm going to be doing in this click over here, and it's pretty easy to taking it apart because all that is almost like um, paperboard, so it come out real easily. I'm just sanding it a little bit because it got some glitter like you see right there in the top. So now I'm going to be painting it with some apple red from Waverly, and I'm going to be giving 2 coats from this paint. And this is super easy, you guys. And you're going to see that the other two that are coming after are more easy than this one. So that's why I don't even want to call them DIY, because that's just like a hacks that I'm been giving you to you, or ideas. I always see another creators doing this lead, um, doing DIYs or different things with it, and I never found it in any of the Dollar Tree stores that I have close to my place. And I finally did. I found. I think I'll get 2 of them. So this is the first one. Okay, the paint is dry, and I'm sanding it at the ends just to give a better like smooth to the piece of board. And this, I create this little snowman using black vinyl in my Cricut. Just like that, you got the cutest snowman. And now I'm going to put the whole piece together using my hot glue from my glue gun. Yeah, super, super, super easy, you guys. I'm using my box of little bells, also from Dollar Tree, to be sure that the two are in the right length or at the same length. Extra some glue, and there you have it. And now I'm going to be putting the little piece in the front, just like that. It looks super different, you guys. I mean, it was cute before, but it wasn't my thing. So now I'm going to use some of these flowers. I don't know how you call these flowers. To me, this is white poinsettias. So I called the whole bunch, and I'm going to be gluing like 3 or 4 of them. in one of the ends or one of the corners of the sleeve. And also I'm going to be gluing like two of those golden bells that you see right over there in the little box. These flowers are gorgeous. It comes with pieces of acorns and some winter greenery. Now I'm gluing the two pieces of bell or the two bells. Sorry that you barely can see me right over there, but that's all I'm doing. And then at the other end, I'm going to be making a crazy bow using some ribbon that I also bought in Dollar Tree. Is one yellow and the other one is white and red. I think it's a Merry Christmas, if I'm not mistaken. And the yellow one is I think it's he got a snowman. That's the design that he have. I'm not sure, but that's what I think is what it have, the design of the ribbon. So I cut a bunch, like 6 or 7 inches of ribbon, and I just make like a cross, and that's how I made this beautiful bow. And I glued 2 more bells in the corner, in top of the bow. And just like that, you got that gorgeous piece. So now in the second project, we are going to make a snowball table decor. That's another hack, another easy idea, because everything in my channel is super easy. You guys, I let the mess of everything that I was going to, or I thought that I was going to use in the table, because I wasn't sure how was up, how everything was gonna ended up. But I barely use, like 3 or 4 things of everything that you see in my table over there, and everything is from Dollar Tree. So I ended up using one of those little trees, that one, and all I did was glue it in the lid of the little plastic glove, the ones that usually Dollar Tree have around this time. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys, I used 2 mini ones, and I used the mailman with the bag of gift, and I can use the mailbox because it was way too big and I don't have that much space in the lid. And I ended up using, I think, another Christmas tree that come in the same pack with the mailman and the mailbox. And after that, after glue the 4 pieces, I use some white snow and some gold snow, like you see right over there in front of me. There you have it. And I have a real nice hack for you guys after you open these bags. If you don't want to leave them open, like going everywhere, there you go. Use the same hot gun, the glue, and you just like, again, you have your pack all closed. Just a little tiny bit of hot glue, and like just like that, you have the bag again completely closed until the next time. And just like that, you have a real cute snow globe, and I put a lot of snow, but I ended up removing it after. So now I'm going to put more white snow in this base, also from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using some of these pine cones. This package, I got it in summertime from Dollar Tree. And I knew that I was going to use it in Christmas time. And look, I ended up using it. It got a bunch of different stuff inside. You probably saw it in Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna use this candle. It's battery operated. And I'm gonna put it right inside of it was giving me a hard time. It doesn't want to turn it on, but I finally did it. I make it work. So I put it inside and I put the greenery around and the pine cones. And I'm going to be placing the globe in top of the base. I'm just trying to fix everything to look cool. Look at that, that's the cutest thing. And now I'm looking to see which ribbon I can use or look better. So I ended up using that one. That one is blue and got details in gold details. I love this ribbon. I think this ribbon is from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. And now after I glue that piece around like that, you can see the division of the globe, the snow globe, and the base. I made this bowl real easy. Sorry you guys don't see how I did it, but you guys has to know this is the quickest bowl ever. I always say I'm not a bowl maker, but I can make a bowl. So, and now I'm gluing it in front of the base. And I'm going to break apart this veil. It comes with a small bowl in the front. So I'm going to be using just the bowl, and I'm not going to use the veils. And I just glue it in the middle of the other bowl, and just like that you have the cutest little piece for your coffee table. Look at this guy. Isn't it adorable? I think it is. It's gorgeous. Let me know in the comments below how you think about it. I think it doesn't even take not even 15 minutes. Candy cane door hanger is our next and last idea today in this video. I'm going to be making the quickest candy cane door hanger using some ribbon from Dollar Tree. This ribbon is a it's a Santa, yeah, a Santa ribbon. That's what the designs is. It's a Santa with other things. And this ribbon is not from Dollar Tree. No, I'm sorry if I say that. This ribbon is from Dollar General. Yeah. I'm going to grab all around the candy cane. And you see what I did right at the end, right? I first began putting a piece of ribbon, just a piece, looking upwards, and I glue it. And then I come and I start, grabbing the ribbon in top of the one that I put at the end first, if I'm making any sense. But you guys are seeing me what I'm doing right over here. And I wasn't putting it real tight because see, I don't know if you guys noticed already, but last year these candy canes were bigger than this year. This year they are real small. It's already grabbed. Now I'm just gluing the other end. Using my makeup sponge to not get burned. And now I'm going to make another bow using the same ribbon that I used in the second idea. And I'm sorry you don't see me making the bow either here, but just like that you got this gorgeous door hanger. Thank you so much, you guys, for being with me today. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Let me know in the comments below